Hello everyone, my name is Arsala Adipta Surya and I'm from the informatics department, and today I want to review three most popular soft drink in the market right now. So what is this? They are Fanta, Coca-cola and Sprite. Okay guys, so first I have Coca-Cola. It's a classic cola drink with a strong and sweet taste. And second, I have Fanta. This drink is fruity drink, usually strawberry flavor, and it tastes sweet and fresh. And third one is Sprite. It's a lemon lime soda that tastes light and refreshing. All of these drinks are easy to find in supermarket, mini market, and even restaurant. Let's compare them based on this, refreshment and price. In terms of taste, Coca-Cola has a stronger and deeper flavor, and Fanta tastes sweeter and more fruity, and Sprite tastes lighter and less sweet than others. For refreshment, Sprite feels more refreshing, especially when it's cold, because the sensation of lime and lemon. And Fanta is refreshing too, but it can feel a bit heavy because of sweetness. And Coca-Cola, of course, is refreshing, but not as light as Sprite because based on a caramel, and caramel is made of sugar. Okay, so now we talk about price. In Indonesia, these three products are same price, between 5,000 till 6,000 rupiah. For daily consumption, Sprite feels more convenient because it's lighter, not too sweet. Coca-Cola is better when you want a strong flavor, and Fanta is great if you like fruity drink. So guys, in my opinion, Sprite is better than Coca-Cola and Fanta because I can drink it every day and every time because it's not heavy like Coca-Cola and it's not that sweet and fruity like Fanta. I love the sensation of refreshing from the lemon and lime, and it's make me comfortable to drink and convenient. So guys, what do you think about these three products, and what do you think which one is better for you? Maybe it's Coca-Cola because it's so strong, or Fanta because it is so fruity, or Sprite like me because I like refreshment and the sweetness from lime and lemon. What do you think, guys?